how to choose who can see your Cameo selfie and ads on your Snapchat account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Snap. Then when your Snap is opening guys, you go here on your profile, then click. And then when you click, you go here to settings and click again. Then go to Cameos here, and then go to the last option here, who can see my Cameo selfie in ads. Then you will choose nobody, only me, or my friends, and you are free to choose whatever you want. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful and helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.